how to do the Big Me, Little Me project. First thing you're going to do is go to Google Images and find two pictures of the same person taken at different times in their lives. You'll see here that I'm going to use Nathaniel Radcliffe as my example. Notice that it's a body shot, it's not just a headshot, and that's going to make it more realistic so it looks like he's standing next to his younger self. You can screenshot, which is Control Shift Square on the Chromebook, or you can drag and drop if you're on a tablet or a phone. Next, I'm going to Google young Nathaniel Radcliffe, and I'm going to find a picture, as much of a body shot as I can, so that I can place the two Nathaniels next to each other so it looks like they're standing together in a room. So I'll use this one. And remember to take a screenshot on the Chromebook, Control, Alt, and the button with the square on it. If it's a phone or tablet, click hold and save it to your device. So I'm going to open up Kleki and click the yellow folder, and that's going to locate my picture. I'm going to start with the older Nathaniel Radcliffe. Here you need to select as layer. Do not select image. When you select as layer, you can then move it around on your canvas. I'm going to move him to the left. I'm not centering him because next to him is going to be the younger Nathaniel Radcliffe. I go ahead, I hit the yellow envelope again. I click on the younger one, and same thing, as layer. Make sure you choose it as a layer. Now here, you're going to have to kind of eyeball it. And what you want to do is kind of match up the heads. Your head does not grow that much, so the big head, the little head should be approximately the same size. And then I'm going to move the younger Nathaniel over so that it looks like he is standing right next to his bigger self. Now, if the body gets cut off and there's a gap, don't worry, you can always crop it later. So there it goes. Next, I'm going to click on the eraser tool, and the eraser tool is down at the bottom underneath the eyedropper tool and to the right. Okay, so I click on the eraser and notice the size. You can adjust the size. I'm going to erase, using a big size, erase all the big stuff. I'm not going to get too close to him because if I do, I'm going to erase parts of his body. So once you're done doing the big stuff, then you want to zoom in, make your eraser small, and get the little areas. Now, when you are ready to get real close and erase, you want to hit on the Chromebook Control+ to zoom in. And when you zoom in, you can see better and you can make your eraser pretty small and get those little tight areas. If you're on a phone or a tablet, obviously you can just pinch in, pinch out. But on the Chromebook, Control+, Control-. And there it goes. Now, the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click Edit and then Crop. And I'm going to crop it. This is important because when you crop it, it makes it look very professional. And then you're just about done. I'm going to crop it a little bit more. And when I'm happy with it, okay. And then to save it, hit the blue arrow. That's it. You're done.